Once you've logged in, you can navigate to a map view from either the customer's menu option or the contract's menu options. For this example, we will select Customers. From there you will see a map icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and you will see a map of the United States, showing a teardrop marker for each of your customers. The map will initially show your location. As you zoom in, you can see the locations in more detail. You can click into any of your customers to view their information such as name, address, phone and any notes you've made within MSC. If you're looking for a specific location, you can search for it in the upper left window. Also in the upper left window, you can click on the double circle icon and the locations on your map will cluster into groups, for a condensed view of larger areas. You also have the ability to apply additional filters to your view results prior to clicking into the map. As an example, we'll filter for those customers with active accepted contracts. For that, we will start on the contract page. At the top, you can select any filters, but for this example we will use our preset filter for active contracts. After selecting your filters and the results narrow in the list view, you can then click the map icon and see all those same locations on your filtered map. Please note, in order to see filtered results on the map, you must define those before clicking into the map page. You are now ready to use the Customer Map tool. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.